In this video, I would like to explain how to draw the graph of a linear equation by the given information of class 9 mathematics from AP and Telangana State Board textbook. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem 17 is the ratio of molecular weight of hydrogen and oxygen in the water is 1:8. Set up an equation between the hydrogen and oxygen and draw its graph. The ratio of molecular weight of hydrogen and oxygen in the water 1:8. Let the quantity of hydrogen that is equals to x grams. Let the quantity of oxygen in the water is y. By given information, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 1:8. So by given data, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen that are x raised to y is equals to 1:8. When we simplify this, x by y is equals to 1/8. Cross multiply it. X into 8, 8x, y into 1, that is equals to y. That implies finally we get y is equals to 8x. So this is the required linear equation. Now we have to draw the graph. In the problem, after the graph, we have to find some values. They are from the graph, find the quantity of hydrogen if oxygen is 12 grams and quantity of oxygen if hydrogen is 3/2 grams. So these are the less values. So we can take x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit and y-axis also 1 centimeter as 1 unit. So take the values x, y, x comma y. Suppose in the value x you take 1, then substitute in the x place 1. 8 into 1 is equals to 8. So y value 8. So the point is 1 comma 8. Suppose we take 2 units. So substitute 2 in this equation, then 8 2s are 16. So it will be 16. 2 comma 16. In the problem, our oxygen and water molecular weights are never be negative. So you can take the graph as corners. Take the graph as on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit. So take like this, on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit. The y value, greater value is 16. So up to 16, 17 you take. X-axis represents quantity of hydrogen, y-axis represents quantity of oxygen. So the first point is 1 comma 8. So 1 comma 1 to 8. So this point represents 1 comma 8. And second point is 2 comma 16. So the second point is 2 comma 16. So draw a line from these 2 points. the equation represents y is equals to 8x. This point is 1 comma 8 and this point is 2 comma 16, and the scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit. In this graph, some questions are asked. From the graph, find the quantity of hydrogen if oxygen is 12 grams. So oxygen represents y-axis. If oxygen is 12 grams, find the quantity of hydrogen. So take dotted lines. Oxygen 12 grams means this one. Take dotted lines up to equation line. If oxygen is 12 grams, and draw a perpendicular line to these dotted lines up to x-axis through from this intersecting point. So when oxygen quantity is 12 grams, then hydrogen quantity will be 1.5. It lies between 1 and 2. So 1.5 we can take as a 3 by 2. So this is 1.5 comma 12. This point indicates. So first one is 1.5 means 3 by 2. So first one answer is, when oxygen quantity is 12 grams, then hydrogen quantity will be 1.5 grams, that is equals to 3 by 2 grams. The second question is quantity of oxygen if hydrogen is 3 by 2 grams. So same question, quantity of oxygen if hydrogen is 3 by 2 grams. So hydrogen is 3 by 2 grams, that means 1.5. So same answer, that is 12 grams. So same question, 1 and 2 are same questions. So if hydrogen quantity is 3 by 2 grams, then oxygen quantity will be 12 grams. So this is the first graph. The next problem is, in a mixture of 28 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 5:2. Set up the equation between the mixture and milk. Draw its graph. By observing the graph, find the quantity of milk in the mixture. So here we have to set up the equation between the mixture and milk only. So the ratio of the milk and water is 5:2, but we have to find the ratio between the mixture and milk. So mixture means milk plus water is called a mixture. So the ratio of the mixture is, milk ratio is 5 and water ratio is 2. Mixture ratio will be 5 plus 2, that is equals to 7. So let the quantity of milk is equals to x liters. Let the quantity of mixture is equals to y liters. So by given data, the ratio of milk and mixture, milk is x and mixture is y. The milk and water is 5:2. So milk ratio is 5 and mixture ratio. Mixture ratio is, mixture means milk plus water, that is 5 plus 2, that is ratio will be 7. So this is the given ratio. So x by y is equals to 5 by 7. So send y that side, then it will be 5 by 7 y. So this is the required equation. So to get the points in a mixture of 28 liters, find the quantity of milk in the mixture. So this is the given question. So 28 liters means it is better to take on x-axis, y-axis 1 centimeter as 2 units and the points x comma y. The denominator is 7, so it is better to y values are the multiples of 7. So in the place of y, you substitute first 7 multiples, so 7, then we will get x is equals to 5, and in the place of y you substitute 14, then in 14 7 2 times will cancel, so 5 to 10, and you take 7 multiples 21 28. I am taking 28 in the y place, substitute y place 28, 7 4s are 28, so 4 times will cancel, 4 into 5, that will be the x will be the 20. So these are the 5 points, 5 comma 7, 10 comma 14, 20 comma 28. By observing these points 20 and 28 are some large values, so it is better to take 1 centimeter as 2 units on the both x-axis and y-axis, and ratio of milk and mixture never be negative, so take x-axis y-axis as corner. So I took 1 centimeter as 2 units on x-axis and 1 centimeter as 2 units on y-axis. This indicates quantity. X-axis indicates quantity of milk and y-axis indicates quantity of mixture. So the first point is 5 comma 7. So 4, the middle line is indicates 5. So 5 comma 7. So between 6 and 8 is 7. So 5 comma 7. So this is the point, indicates 5 comma 7, and 10 comma 14 on x-axis 10, y-axis 14. So this is the point 10 comma 14, and 20 comma 28, 20 28. This point is 20 comma 28. So this is 5 comma 7, 10 comma 14, 20 comma 28. Through these 3 points draw a line. This line represents x is equals to 5 by 7y, or send 7 this side, 7x is equals to 5y. whatever will be we can take. So I take as x is equals to 5y by 7. Scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter as 2 units, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 2 units. And given problem is in a mixture of 28 liters, find the quantity of milk. So mixture is 28 liters, mixture represents y-axis, so mixture 28 liters. So take dotted lines from 28 to the line. At this point to this dotted lines, draw a perpendicular line to x-axis. So when 28 liters of mixture, then the quantity of milk is 20 liters. So this is the answer. So when 28 liters of mixture having 20 liters of milk, so finally this graph is finished. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.